Former soccer superstar David Beckham is finalizing plans to start a Major League Soccer franchise in the U.S. Speaking at the launch of his digital book signing, Beckham, who retired just months ago, said he's putting the finishing touches on investment plans before trying to get the MLS to okay an expansion franchise in Miami.
It's not 100% Miami yet, but Miami is definitely one of the places where I've looked, and I'm excited. I'm excited about owning a team. I'm excited about bringing a team and being part of the MLS and continuing to be a part of the MLS in the future.
Beckham has 3 sons, and his 14-year-old Brooklyn has fans wondering if he could play for his father and become the next David Beckham.
You know, as long as the boys are happy, as long as they enjoy playing football and they have fun doing it, then, whether they play at professional level or whether they play at Sunday League level, I don't care as long as they're happy.
Soccer fans in Miami would love Beckham to bring a team to South Florida.
I think a team here would be successful. The demographics is right. I think one of the things we need, of course, is the soccer-specific stadium.
They say having Beckham behind it would likely give the team a boost. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.